In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a seller on eBay. If you're trying to buy from a specific shop you trust, compare prices from the same source, or revisit a seller you've worked with before, this quick method will take you straight to their listings. Start on the eBay homepage. Instead of typing anything into the big search bar, look just to the right of it for the advanced link. It's a small link, easy to miss, but it's the key to powerful search tools. Go ahead and click Advanced. If you're on a phone or tablet, the advanced link may be tucked into the site menu, so take a second to expand that if you don't see it right away. You're now on the advanced search page. This page lets you fine-tune what you're looking for, but we're focusing on finding a specific seller. Find the section labeled Buy Seller and select it. This tells eBay you want to narrow results based on who is selling the items rather than what the items are. Within that By Seller area, choose the option for specific sellers. This narrows the search to sellers you name rather than pulling in every seller on the site. If you see options to include or exclude sellers, make sure it's set to include so the listings you get are from the seller you want. Next, type the seller ID into the field provided. The seller ID is the username the seller uses on eBay. Enter it carefully, just as it appears on their profile or on one of their past listings. If you're copying and pasting, watch out for extra spaces before or after the name, which can prevent a match. If the seller uses dashes, numbers, or underscores, include those exactly. Getting the spelling right is the most important part of this step. Once the seller ID is in place, click Search. eBay will load results that are currently available from that seller. You should now see only their active listings. From here, you can browse like normal. If you need to narrow things down further, use the standard filters on the left, such as category, price range, or item condition. That's all there is to it. Advanced, Buy Seller, specific sellers, type the seller ID, and search. This method saves time, helps you avoid look-alike listings, and gets you straight to the source you trust. If nothing shows up, double check the spelling or try again later in case the seller has no active items at the moment. Thanks for watching and enjoy a faster, more precise way to shop on eBay.